Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to on the do not disturb in vivo phone. So before I start the video, please not forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to channel. So friends, without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, what I need to do is you have to go to the setting here. So you have to press the setting here, then you have to scroll it down, then you see here sound, so you have to press this one, then you see here do not disturb, so you just need to press this one. So you see here turn off now, then you want to on it now, so you just need to press this one, turn on now. Do not disturb has been on already, it is on already, so you can set it, you can on it from this here, come to the setting, then on it, so it is done now. So friends, if you like this video, please not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.